another video tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to add a Typefocus animation onto your opt-in form exactly like this one. So let's have a look at how this is done in Thrive Leads. So to do that, I'll first have to access Thrive Leads from my WordPress admin dashboard. And then I have to edit the actual form I want to work on. This is the lightbox I'm going to be working on. And now to add Typefocus animation to any text from the opt-in form, you simply have to go and select the text you want to animate, just like I'm doing right now. And then in the left sidebar list of options, open the advanced section from here, and you will be able to find the Typefocus animation feature listed right there. Now you also have this toggle which says that you can include a heading in the table of contents element if you have one on your opt-in form. But for this example, I'm not going to be adding any table of contents within my form. I'm just going to show you how to add the Typefocus animation to this selected text. So first I'm going to click on Add. Now I have here my default text, which is interest, and in order to add a new variation, I simply have to click on Add New, type in the text that I want to use, and then I can still make some configurations right here. So first I can select the pause between the animations. This seems like the right amount to use. Then I can use a blink cursor effect. So that means that I can display a blinking cursor on my opt-in, but I'm gonna leave this unchecked for now. And then here I can select the highlight color. Let's go with a lighter shade. And now let's see how this looks like on the front end. So this is the animation that I've added to my text. You can see over there the highlight color that I've selected. And now let me show you how it would look like if I would also enable the blinking cursor effect. So back here in my settings pop-up, I'm gonna also check this box, click on apply, and then save and preview my work once more. So you can see here that we have this blinking cursor which is now visible due to the fact that we've checked that option in our configurations. Hopefully this quick tutorial was useful to you. Make sure to check out other tutorials of this type from our knowledge base if you want to find out more about our products and features.